Alright, howdy folks. Working on a lawn tractor today. It's a Cub Cadet XT1 with the 42-inch mower deck on it. And I'm going to show you how to remove the mower deck. First things first, you're going to be working on there with belts and pulleys and belts. I already said belts. Belts, pulleys, and blades. Stuff that can cut your fingers off, pinch you, whatever. So we'll practice lockout, tag out. What is lockout, tag out? That is a safety system, I'll call it. Where you lock out anything that will energize an object and cause it to injure you. So, well, easy lockout, tag out for stuff like this. Take the key out. No one can start it. No one can. Ignition's off, it won't start. Alright, so first things first, take your mower deck height adjuster, drop it all the way down below. Sets are on the ground. Get underneath here. Guess I could have started on that side, but whatever. There are these two clips. Gotta get my Gerber. Pull on the clip and pull it out just like that. That'll get your clip out. There's 3 of them we gotta deal with. I believe just 3. Now there's 4. Okay, so the first 2 is the arms on each side on the back for your height. So take the clip off, pull that out. I like to put them in the cup holder so you don't lose them. And on the other side, same deal. Pull it out, slide your pin out, pull the arm off the thing, off the stud, I guess you can call it. Trying to do it one-handed. There, that's off. Now, take your height control arm up on the tractor, and I'll show you, like I just showed you, instead from low, put it all the way up to the top. That'll lift them up out of your way, as you saw happen there. So, next thing you gotta take off is another one of those clips. Right there. That holds your engagement cable for the tractor. So now that that's loosened, you can try to balance you on some stuff here. Push the pulleys back, slide your cable back and out of the crease. So right, push this pulley, the adjuster pulley, all the way back, and you can see the spring is right there. Let's see if I can hold you and this pulley at the same time. And you just have to fish the spring out of there somehow. It's a little easier said than done at times. We're gonna have to pull the belt off first and slide it back some more. So On the front, got another one of those clips. Pull the front clip off. Take that off. Now, there's two holes. One's marked a 46. Front one's marked a 42. So you obviously know which mower deck you have. If not, just remember which hole it goes in. Mine's in the 42 because it's a 42-inch deck. Slide that arm off. Slide the deck forward. Now, we'll go back on the other side and show you the bar you have to move to get your belt off. Okay, so on the other side you saw there was a bolt. On this side there's no bolts. But right there is a hole for this bar here. So you push on it. Oh, it was already in. I never put it back. Alright, my bad. So push on it. And pull it back. That way. Oh no, it was right. To one of those rear holes. It doesn't go in all the way, but it'll do. You can pop your belt off the pulley around both sides, and then that'll allow you to squeeze your belt off between the bar and the pulley. So, like such. And what that does is your belt is loose when the deck is not engaged, and that prevents it from slipping off the pulley and falling on the ground. And when you go to engage your deck, nothing happens, which occasionally happened on my old tractor until I got a new belt for it. But anyways, now that the belt is off, slide her back, as you can see, and we'll attempt again from this side to get your spring off. So pull the adjuster, grab your spring, slide it around. There we go. Spring is off. Cable's off. So now, all you have to do, grab your deck, pull it out, and there goes my phone. There we go. One mower deck. We'll sharpen the blades on this. Maybe paint it. We'll look what it looks like underneath. But slap her back in there. Pretty simple. I'll show you how to do that too. Okie dokie, now time to put her back in. So, line it up like normal. Like it was when it came out. Shove her underneath. Just the reverse of taking it out. Alright. Get her kind of in there. We'll shove her all the way back, hook that cable up, then shove her all the way forward to hook the belt up. So this is going to take two hands, so pardon me. Okay, that's on. Slide her forward. Put the belt rod there. I mean, pull the rod out of the side of the frame there. Shove your belt in. Put it around the pulley. Slide that rod. Oh, it'll go back up in that hole over there on the frame, which I'll get from the other side. But remember, this is a 42-inch deck, so this rod here, pull that. Rod there goes in the 42, and then I'll get those clips and we'll do the clips, and we'll hook it to the height adjuster for the last two connections, and should be good to go. Okay, we have these clips. Take your deck adjuster, put it all the way down and low. Get back down underneath. So, on the front rod there's a hole. Should probably do this from the other side so I can see. You know what? I'll do it from the other side. Alright, but we'll get this one on. That's your adjuster. So you might have to lift up on it. I gotta lift up on it, so we'll get it done though. Lift up on the deck, slide that on a pin. I'll show you when it's done. Okay, it's slid on that pin. Just take your clip and work it into the hole however you can get it. I like cotter keys better, but just push it in the hole like so. Now there's a one on this cable you gotta put on. Same clip. You can't see it. There's a hole there, I promise. There we go. Then, alright, so I was wrong. This rod goes the other way. So I'll go back over there and plug a clip in. Put this on now and now. Like so. Take your pin. Like that. So one more pin back on the other side, and then you're good to go. So, okay, right there, last pin. Of course, you have a 46, you put it in a 46-inch hole. But that's it. That's how you put your deck back on and take your deck off. You can reverse those too, because that's, yeah, my brain's mush. But anyway, that's how you do it. So, thanks for watching. Hope that helps you guys. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more. And as always, stay crazy. Have a good one, people.